Hi, this is Larry Stewart with ForConstructionPros.com, and I'm at ICUEE in Louisville, Kentucky, in the Ditch Witch booth, talking with Jason about a new machine that Ditch Witch is just about to bring out. Getting a sneak peek, actually. Tell us a little bit about it, Jason.
Yeah, like you said, the RT80 quad is a sneak peek. We're looking at probably an introduction in the first quarter of 2012. The RT80 quad is somewhat of the little brother to the RT115 quad that we introduced about a year and a half ago, and had really good success with that unit. And so what we've done is we've taken what we've learned from that application and put it into an RT80 package for us.
And that required downscaling those 4 track units, right?
Yes, that's right. And when you say downscaling, so what we did is we took what we had on the RT115, put it in just a little smaller package, but used all the same components, so it's just got a little bit smaller footprint, but with the same ruggedness and good productivity that we expect out of the 115.
And that track unit's all Charles Machine Works developed, right?
That's right. We've designed it and we build it in-house there at Ditch Witch, yes.
Okay, okay. There's a pretty significant weight difference that you see in the 115 size track units. Are you expecting to see the same thing with the
Certainly. On the RT115, each track assembly weighs 1,500 pounds, so you've got a total of 6,000 pounds on the ground with the track assemblies there. Equivalent on the RT80 quad is 1,350 pounds each, so you can see we've got a lot of weight down low for a low center of gravity and good power to the ground with that amount of weight.
Yeah, and as you can see with the machine, it's actually a little higher than the rubber tire.
It is.
RT80.
It is. Very good point, Larry. We've got a lot of ground clearance, the most ground clearance in the industry, so we can get in those rugged areas and get things done really well.
Right, and with all that weight in those track units, you still lowered your center of gravity. You're not getting high center with that machine. That's
right. That's right. We've got the low center of gravity, and with the chevron track pattern, the rubber track that we're using, we get a really good aggressive bite in the ground.
Mm-hmm. Now that chevron track design, you were telling me a little earlier about its performance in the field and the traction overall with the machine. Talk a little bit about comparison between the quad machine and track machines that you've had, steel track machines that you've had, and rubber tires. Where does it fall in terms of tractive ability?
Yeah, let's start with that chevron pattern. That chevron pattern, what it does is it pushes away mud to the outside of the track, so it's really getting a good bite. It aids in stability on side slopes and those sloppy conditions. Now what the rubber track gives us is great productivity with somewhat of the same effect of a steel track with those deep lugs. We do have a steel track in our line, but what we found is this quad track assembly actually plows better than that steel track that we've had in our product lineup for some time now.
Is it just the oscillation benefit that you get from having the 4 tracks?
Yes, that oscillation as you're going over uneven terrain, you're getting a good bite all the way through rather than that straight track that we've had.
Yeah, we should specify that track machine that you're talking about, the steel track machine, is a long straight track, a single long straight track on each side.
So you really minimize that breakover effect as you go over a hill or something.
Right,
like that.
right, okay. So what's the expected availability on the RT80?
The RT80 quad, we're expecting it in spring of 2012. We're really excited. What we've gone after with this machine as well as the RT115 is productivity. Mm-hmm. So what we talked about a little bit yesterday was for an incremental increase in cost with the added components of the quad system, you get a significant improvement in productivity.
Mm-hmm. And the disparity in cost on the 115 between rubber tired and rubber track quad is what?
You're looking at an investment of about a 10% more investment.
Okay, all right. And you're expecting a similar kind of disparity with the RT80 quad?
Correct.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot, Jason.
Hey,
appreciate your time.
Thank you.